Morning class.
Morning, sir.
How's your day?
We're fine, sir.
Good to hear that. Before we go to the formal discussion, let's check your attendance first. If I call your name, just say present.
Yes, sir.
Honorio Hanami,
Present, sir.
Malabog Lerma,
Present, sir.
Taer Jeremiah.
Present, sir.
Okay, it seems that you are all present for today's discussion. I prepared some pictures here that will lead to our discussion. Are you familiar with the game 4 picks 1 word?
Yes, sir.
Very well. Now, take a look on the different images and I will call somebody to guess the word that is being portrayed by the picture. Are you ready, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Miss Honorio. After looking on the different pictures, what certain word comes to your mind?
I think it's a nature painting, sir.
Very good. It's all about nature painting. How about these images? Yes, Mr. Taer.
Those are abstract paintings, sir.
Very good. You guessed it right. It's all about abstract painting. Now, combining the words that you formulated earlier, can you guess now the topic that we're going to discuss? Yes, Miss Malabog.
It's all about art, sir.
Very good. You can learn now about the arts, which is the abstract impressionism and expressionism. Okay, Miss Honorio, can you please read the definition of arts?
Art as the use of skill and imagination in the creation of aesthetic subjects, environment, or experiences that can be shared with others.
Okay, thank you, Miss Honorio. Now, class, do you believe that art is everywhere?
Yes, sir.
Good. Art is everywhere as long as people have used their creation, imagination, and anything that is related into arts. For example, me as a student or as a teacher, and then I will going to perform such movements with my body. So that's called, and that's being called art. And also, for example, uh, some uh, some professions of into the uh, instrument, and they are going to perform such instruments like piano, drums, and guitar, and that is called an art. Are we clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, let us move on into the classifications of art, which is the abstract painting. Actually, there's a lot of classification of arts, but then we are going to focus on the two, which is the abstract impressionism and expressionism. Are you excited, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good to hear that. Now, let us proceed to the abstract impressionism. Okay, Mr. Taylor, can you please read the definition of abstract impressionism?
It is an art movement that originated in the New York City in the 1940s. It involves the painting of a subject such as real-life scenes, objects, or people in an impressionist style, but with emphasis on varying measures of abstraction.
Thank you, Mr. Taylor. Okay, so the abstract impressionism, it is a real-life scenes, object, or environment, or anything that can be painted with an abstraction. So these are the example of abstract impressionism. Take a look on the first image and then the second image. So as you can see, the abstract impressionism, it is a real life scene which is can be seen to this picture that this is have an object, and also this is an environment. But in abstract impressionism, you can change or you can revise the natural colors and the structure. For example, you are going to paint the ocean, and you are not going to follow the exact or natural color of it, but then you are going to revise and to change the color of the ocean, so that can be called the abstract impressionism. Okay, are we in class?
Yes, sir.
Good to hear that. Now, let us move on to the abstract expressionism. Okay, Miss Malabog, can you please read the abstract expressionism?
Abstract expressionism, an artistic movement of the mid-20th century, comprising diverse styles and techniques and emphasizing especially an artist's liberty to convey attitudes and emotions through non-traditional and usually non-representational means.
Thank you, Miss Malabog. Now, the abstract expressionism, it is a non-traditional and non-representational. It means that the abstract expressionism comes from your feelings, your emotions, your ideas, and your thoughts. So, as long as you do a free brush stroke, that is being called the abstract expressionism. So these are the example of abstract expressionism. Now take a look on this picture and also to this one. Now, the abstract expressionism is all about your feelings, and you are going to paint your about your feelings, your emotions, and thoughts and ideas, so that you can easily portray what is being in your self. So just like this one, uh, they are uh, they are paint it with free and without strokes. So this is called the abstract expressionism. So for example, your your feelings now is sad, and then you are going to paint your feelings. So if other people see your uh, artwork, they are easily predict that what is your feelings or emotions. So are we clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, uh, after we discuss the impressionism and expressionism, now let us differentiate between the two, which is the impressionism and expressionism. Okay, Miss Malabug, uh, what do you think the difference about the impressionism, expressionism?
Impressionism is the use of real-life scenes, sir.
Okay, good. How about you, Mr. Tair?
Impressionism, it is a real-life scenes, while expressionism uses vivid colors and non-representational.
Very good. Now, it seems that you really understand the abstract impressionism and expressionism. Now, for your activity, make your own painting in two classifications of art that we discussed earlier. You will be needing a piece of paper or a canvas, brushes, and paint colors that will be submitted next meeting. Is there any question, class?
None, sir.
Thank you. Now it's already time. I hope that you learned the classifications of art, which is the abstract impressionism and expressionism. Thank you for your time and cooperation. See you next meeting, class. Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.